Summer's coming, and I know we are all trying to get our hot girl bodies. And if you recently lost a lot of weight and now your hair is full of split ends or damaged, this video is probably going to explain exactly why. And this is something that I'm seeing more and more behind the chair and in front of the chair. Now, if you're someone who's lost weight using GLP-1 medications, weight loss surgery, or maybe you just went to DR and got your body snatched with a tummy tuck and lipo, then I know that you are going through a very aggressive weight loss drop. And the first place that I see the impact is always in the hair. And a lot of people don't connect the two. You think that it's something that you're doing wrong, not knowing that your body is actually reacting to you getting super fine. I know. You're super excited about the weight loss, which of course you should be. But a few months later, you start noticing that you're shedding, you're thinning, your hair is dry, and you have a ton of split ends. And that's exactly what happened with my client today. Now, first things first, losing weight is an amazing accomplishment, and I want all of my clients to feel good about that. But your body goes through so much internally when you lose weight rapidly, and sometimes your hair ends up reflecting all of those changes. And trust me, baby, I am not excluded from this. So when she came in today, the first thing I noticed when I started examining her hair was that she was experiencing a lot of breakage. And that totally made me know that those split ends and a lot of that breakage was hindering a lot of her healthiness in her hair. So we decided to go ahead and do a haircut instead of a hair trim. Now, I know all of my trim against baddies are going to be in the comments. I know you want to tap away. But keep in mind, you guys, that my client came to me because she trusts me and she knew that I was not going to lead her in the wrong direction, as well as the fact that I have been taking care of her hair for so long. And now she had to take a little bit of break and came back and she said, Crystal, we got to do what we got to do. I need my hair to get back healthy. So after we consulted, we knew that a haircut was definitely due. If you're not familiar with what a split end actually is, don't worry, your girl got you, and I don't want you to feel embarrassed. It's when the hair strand literally starts separating and splitting apart. And the thing about split ends is they don't just stay at the ends, they actually travel. So when you have split ends and you keep holding on to the length without actually trimming the hair, the split can slowly move further and further up the hair shaft, and the higher it travels, the more damage it causes. That's when people start saying things like, my hair just won't grow. But in reality, your hair is actually growing, boo-boo. It's just breaking at the same rate that it's growing. So today's appointment was really about damage control. And instead of trying to preserve length that wasn't healthy anymore, we decided to go in and give her a really good haircut so we could remove all of the compromised ends. And there's actually two true solutions for split ends. One, the first, is always making sure that you are trimming them so that you can keep your hair nice and healthy and it continue to have true growth. Number two, making sure that you are feeding your hair products that have nutrients that are going to give it moisture and that are going to give it strength, just like our Elite Hair Care products. So in this video, you guys saw me really going section by section and trimming her hair up to make sure that we were not only leaving behind true healthy hair, but that we were taking off a lot of those split ends that have been hindering her hair growth from the beginning. Now that we've gotten a lot of those unhealthy ends taken off, I wanted to point something out. Sometimes you think that you only need a trim, but when I start to analyze my client's hair, I can see exactly where the breakage is happening. And if I leave too much of that damaged hair behind, the split ends are going to continue to travel up the shaft, and that is not going to help her in the long run. When you lose weight quickly, your body is often going to be dealing with a big nutritional change. Your protein is going to change, your vitamin levels change, and your body is going to begin to prioritize the vital organs over your hair, your skin, and your nails. Which is why I always say, talk to your physician about feeding your body nutrients outside of just medication. Now, Whenever your body is prioritizing these major organs, keep in mind that your hair growth can definitely slow down, your hair can definitely increase in shedding, and the strands themselves can become weaker and more prone to breakage. This is why during the periods where you are experiencing major weight loss, while I know you look good, it becomes really, really important that you support your scalp and your growth cycle. And this is a never-ending process, not a just because or today only process. You guys know my motto, and if you don't, let me just explain it really, really quickly. Healthy hair is going to always equal a healthy scalp. So your scalp is where your follicles live, and this is where the blood flow is going to happen. And this is also where you need a lot of nutrients to be delivered to support your growth phase of your hair while your body is purging out all of the bad fats, the bad carbs, and that bad man who needed to be out of your life. But I digress. So when somebody comes to me, I'm sorry, I had to let that out, you guys. When somebody comes to me after they're experiencing shedding, thinning, breaking, dehydration, or any of that stuff, the first thing I ask them is what has changed in their life. Normally, I can tell by the body mass that it's been extreme weight loss, and I normally can tell that either they've done it really, really fast, or I've seen them through the process and I know that it's going on. So the number one thing I want you to remember is remove the damage when it comes onto your hair, especially if you are doing any form of weight loss or change to the body. Number two, I want you to start supporting healthy hair growth moving forward. You want to be focused on your insides and your outsides. And then once we clean your ends up, or like I did for my client today, her hair instantly starts looking fuller, healthier, and stronger. So let me say that to you too. Once you start cleaning your ends up, your hair starts looking longer, healthier, fuller, and stronger. And sometimes that's the part that is going to be the biggest surprise to you. Not only do you look good, you feel good, but baby, your hair is thriving, your skin is growing, and you have a true regimen that you are definitely going to keep following. Now, as I'm speaking about growth support, we are currently celebrating day 2 of our Elite Hair Care anniversary sale. And baby, when I say I'm so excited because Elite Hair Care, we turned 6 years old, clock that T. But day 2 of the anniversary sale is all about our growth products. So today only, you'll be saving 25% off all of our stagnated growth products, and no code is needed. All these products are designed to specifically support your scalp and stimulate those healthy follicles, get that hair nice and long and strong and healthy, baby. Okay? We're going to put you back in the game. So if you've been struggling with hair changes after weight loss, postpartum shedding, stress, hormonal shifts, you got rid of a man that needed to be gotten rid of from before, I digress again, then this is the perfect time to start focusing on your growth routine. Head over to EliteHairCareUSA.com and shop our anniversary sale while the promotion is still going on. And if you enjoyed watching this transformation and learning a little bit more about what weight loss can do to the hair, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.